You will bring Captain Solo and the Wookiee to me. Greetings, I'm Dave Dickinson here from AstroGuys.com, and I wanted to tell you about a hot new product that I just have here that I'm wearing from Dark Skies Apparel. And this is a hooded night observing vest. I don't know how many times you've been out observing, you get yourself prepped, you have your dark adapted and everything, but the stray light around you just isn't quite cutting it. Now this actually serves two purposes here. You have the hood. So the hood goes up overneath and gives a pretty good coverage over the eyepiece. It's hard to really give the view impression of what you're seeing in the eyepiece, but the hood kind of protects you from stray light, saves your dark adaptation. That's all important if you're going after those faint little fuzzies or those small, like really faint objects out there. It actually is a pretty good mosquito protection. I know it's not designed for that, but gives you a little less surface area for the mosquitoes to chew on. That's kind of important here in Florida. And as far as the vest goes, it carries everything. You have several pockets up on the side and on the bottom, kind of like a fisherman's vest. They're not zippered pockets or velcroed pockets, but they're ready access pockets where you can put flashlights, your tools that you use like all the time for adjusting things, eyepieces. You could fit small handbooks in here. You could fit quite a few things in here. More extra tools. Laser pointer. Star parties, I always like to have my laser pointer up high and tight somewhere where kids, they look too much like lightsabers. More Star Wars references. So you always want to keep those like up where hands can't grab them and start playing with them and blinding people and causing lawsuits. This is a great vest. I'm a pretty big guy, not bragging or anything. I'm about 200 pounds, 6'1", and this is a regular vest, and there's plenty of room in it for me. So I think you could manage to go a size down. I don't know the extra large, if that's Chewbacca size. Again, another Star Wars reference there. And what the if small is Ewok size or what it is, but fits me pretty well. And I would think if you are observing anywhere where it's fairly cold, which I've observed down in Alaska and Maine where it's 30, 40 below and things like that, Fahrenheit and Celsius, and you want to have extra clothing in underneath it, I think that's why they built it with a little bit more room in it. I'm impressed that the not a lot of straps and buckles and stuff, but I kind of like that. I think guys at Dark Sky Apparel really made a winner with this, so if you don't mind, I'm going to get back to what I was doing. These droids, they're not for sale if you want them. These aren't the droids you're looking for. You can move about his business. Move along.